Hi y'all, welcome to my shop. How many of y'all had the good fortune of deciding what you want to turn, go get a piece of wood and start turning and let the chips fly? I used to be like that, but not so much lately. It seems my actual shop time has fallen off due to other activities, some of them of which I have control over and some of them of which I don't. Besides making my twice-a-week videos, I have a number of other wood turning activities. I belong to several different clubs. I go to meetings. I'm the treasurer of one of my clubs. I attend board meetings. I participate in some committees, and it all takes a little bit of time. For my main wood turning club, I conduct a monthly hands-on woodworking session, a workshop, and it's all a lot of fun. I enjoy it, and I'm not complaining. But otely, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed, maybe because it's tax season in addition to things I normally do. In addition to that, I have this other activity of doing taxes as an AARP tax aide. Some of y'all may recall a couple of videos I did on taxes. And I enjoy doing that, helping people, especially seniors and others that have a harder time doing their taxes, and they need someone to help them, and I enjoy doing that. I have a hard time saying no, and I stay busy, and usually I have enough discretionary time where I can juggle activities. But again, lately I feel like I'm a bit overwhelmed. I went on fortunate enough to have take a 2-week cruise with my wife and son and my daughter-in-law, and we just had a great time. But before I went, I actually had to have 6 videos produced and scheduled and uploaded, ready to go, to maintain that consistency of the 2 videos a week that I've committed to for the past year. One of the first things I do when I get up in the morning, especially on Tuesdays and Fridays, is turn on the computer and respond to comments from you viewers. Now, I really enjoy your comments, enjoy responding to them. And I got up this morning and I realized, oh, I didn't put up a video. I'm working on several videos, making good progress, and I thought I had one already scheduled, but I didn't. And that's real frustrating to me, because as you can tell maybe from my videos, I'm intense, I'm focused, and I take commitments very seriously. And it's really frustrating to me to have a commitment of doing 2 a week and then find out that I haven't been able to achieve that. So when it comes to saying no, it means sometimes I have to say no to discretionary things where I'm in control over those, and that means cutting back on my commitment to do 2 videos a week. I've got lots of ideas. I've got several projects working. I'll get a video out in the next week, but I'm having to say no and back down on the commitment of doing 2 a week. I love making videos, and I'll keep doing it. I mentioned earlier in an earlier video that I'm real excited about being selected to demonstrate in Portland in June at the National AAW Symposium. And 2 of the rotations I'm going to be doing are on hand thread chasing, which is something I really enjoy doing. And I got down to my shop just to kind of get my hand back in it and made a couple of practice boxes, and just had a great time making these threaded boxes. And it made me realize how much fun sometimes just getting down to your shop with a piece of wood and wood turning is, and how much I missed it, and what do I need to do to be able to have that time to do that. As I said before, I love teaching. I really enjoy reading your comments and appreciate all your support. Y'all come back here.